Hey, we're going to practice changing sounds in a word. So I'm going to say the word, then you say the word, then we're going to change the sound to make a new word. First word, tip. Change the t to z. Zip. Very good. Okay, next word, get. Change the g to l. Let. Very good. Next word, pig. Change the p to w. Wig. Very good. Next word, jam. Change the j to y. Yam. Very good. Next word, vest. Change the v to w. West. Very good. Next word, last. Change the ol to v. Vast. Excellent. My turn. Say tell. Change the t to w. Well. Excellent. Next word. Say yak. Change the y to tr. Track. Excellent. Next word. Jog. Change the j to fr. Frog. Very good. You can do this at home with your parents. Just ask them to say a word for you and have them change a sound so you can create a new word.